Hello, bonjour. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start La Negation for class 7. La Negation basically means the negation, and we are going to start this topic and we will do this together. And let's just start. So, moi, je n'aime pas la négation. What does this mean? I don't like negation. But do you know the word he's saying is also in negative? The sentence, the whole sentence is in negation. Let's move on to the next slide. Negation. What does negation means? Negation means to make a sentence negative. Like I want to go to the park and the negative of it will be no, I don't want to go to the park. So in French, we make negative sentences by adding ne and pas between the conjugated verb. Let's get started. First, we'll understand this in English, then we'll go to the French side of it. Now, for example, I say I eat chocolates. It is a it is an affirmative sentence which is a positive sentence or a normal sentence you can say. And the negative sentence of the same affirmative sentence would be I do not eat chocolates. Here, do not is the negative word. In French, it is like je mange de chocolat. This is affirmative, and the negative of it will be je ne mange pas de chocolat. I do, first affirmative was I eat chocolates, and negative of it was I do not eat chocolates. So basically the formation of this will be subject plus na plus conjugated verb plus pa plus object. So basically na and pa goes around the conjugated verb, and that is the na pa sandwich. Here na verb pa. So na and pa sandwich the verb no matter what happens. Rules in negation. So there are total 5 rules and you have to learn them by heart, and it is very important for you to learn them. So there are 5 rules as I said. So the first rule says to put ne pas around the conjugated verb. Like je parle français, je ne parle pas français. Okay, so the ne and pa goes around the conjugated verb which is parle. Second rule says na becomes an apostrophe before a vowel or a silent H. So the E gets cut and apostrophe gets added. For example, elle est professeur, elle n'est pas professeur. Okay, so it you must have thought that it must be NEESTPAS, but it is excuse me L no an apostrophe ESTPAS professor. The rule number 3 says articles which are even they changes to the or the apostrophe. Okay, in negation. For example, j'ai un livre. So j'ai un livre, which in negation will be je n'ai pas de livre. Okay, moving on. Fourth rule says rule number 3 does not apply when the conjugated verb is être. That is the sandwich verb is être, and you all know the conjugation for être, right? Comment down the conjugation of être. I'll give you a hint. Je suis. Now you have to write. For example, c'est tacado. Just ignore this part. ignore this. Okay, so set kado, and it is just ignore the a part, right? Ce n'est pas un cadeau. So it is a gift, it is not a gift. So when est is there, which is a conjugation of être, so or remains the same, or un remains the same, or the any form of the remains the same. Okay, like the forms of the are the, du, della, the apostrophe, and they. Okay, fifth is la, la, le, and L apostrophe remain unchanged. That is, we do not make any changes to these four articles, right? Now there is an exercise. You have to answer it in the comment box, and the right one will be get pinned. I will pin that comment, and I'll show you one exercise which is page number 18 of your book. You need to do it in a separate notebook, and if you follow my advice, I would suggest to make a separate notebook for French, so that all the things are there, not your classwork notebook, but your own self practice notebook, where you can practice and write the notes. What I teach you, you jot down in your copy, and do the exercise, type it in the comment box, and then I'll correct you. Okay, so page number 18 of your book says this question: répondez à la forme négative comme dans l'exemple. So these are the questions. Don't worry, in the next video I will be discussing, in the revision video I will be discussing all the questions which are possible for from negation. So there are three forms which are there in negative sentences, which is répondre, which is to make a negative sentence and to make a negative sentence of question one. Okay, so now is the question answer session. It's not a question answer session, but I want to tell you guys that if I make this live, if you all come live, uh, and you can just tell me the time when you all are free and the date, then I'll keep a question answer session. We'll do polls, we'll do different type of quizzes. I have many interactive quizzes with me, and if you have any question, or you have any query, then you can just jot down in the comment section. So at the last I will say thank you. If you haven't seen any of the literature videos or the grammar videos and wish to, then just click on my channel's link, and you can just see it from there. Thank you. And I would say that I am taking online classes regularly for paid as well as free. And if you want to enroll in paid classes, then you can just write it in the comment. And if you want to do it free, then you have to write these answers of the questions which I give you in the comment section. Right? Then only you will be able to, you know, get improvement in French language, because French is the second most hardest language in the world after Spanish. Okay, so see you then next video.